Hi everybody, this is Shark Girl. You wanna see what my cat's doing?
I won't let you. Because Travis's computer's all fucked up.
He's so heavy. This cat is the heaviest cat in the world. Anybody does not understand.
Where is he?
He's right up here somewhere. I tried to video him. I think up there he is. He's like stubborn. I do not know what he wants, but he's on top of me. It's killing me because it hurts my back inside. But yeah, that's my kid. That's what my mom's cat. But oh, he does this. What is he doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Pretty boy, get down.
Hey.
Get down. Yes. You have to get down. You're too happy. Get down. Get down. Pretty boy, get down.
He's crawling on my back. Pretty boy. Gosh. Oh, there's his butt and his tail. So I hope you guys see his body up there. Oh wait, he's moving. He's moving. Hello. Hi.
Get down.
Are you trying to be the king of the world?
Giving you love.
Yep, I love you so much. This is what I do every time. He's happy or something, I don't know. But he's been paying ass.
Probably wants some more of that meat.
I'm not giving him anything, so don't look at
I
me.
don't know what was in there. Give me some. Give me some of that rice. Give me some of that meat. I only had a piece. All the other cats ate it all. Please. I want some, please. You want some? You want her to go get you rice and beans? You gotta get down. She can't get up if you don't get down. Jazz, I love you too. You're bad. Yeah, hello, baby. I'm my pretty boy. You're my pretty boy. You're my pretty boy. A pretty boy. You're not as light as a feather. You are a heavy thing. He weighs like 40 pounds.
He weighs more than that.
He's heavy.
For that, we're gonna get the
Hi, are we on TV together? Do the duo thing. His face and your face. Oh, I'm trying to get comfortable. Oh, you're not wide enough, lady. You're not a fox fur, you know. You can't go around her neck. God.
You're going on YouTube, you know that. He's like, what? No. I'm putting this on YouTube because this is a pain in the butt. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. He's like he's pushing me more down to the ground. He does that. You're so mean. But I love you. Mwah. Where are you going? Seriously, where are you going?
Well, now you're leaving.
Oh. What? Come here.
You told him to get down. You said you're gonna go get him some rice and beans.
See, this is my pretty boy.
Not my baby.
It's grandma's baby, but he comes to me a lot. Oh.
Because grandma can't get up and feed him like I used to.
Yeah. He's heavy. He's so big. Yeah, look at the look on your face. Look at that.
And there's his daughter out there.
So, yeah. He's pretty boy. Pretty boy.
Ah, Precious.
Precious. Ah. Yeah, she loves loving. I love loving his belly like a Buddha. Buddha, 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 Buddha.
Booja, 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 booja.
So, you're talking back now? You talking back? You gonna talk back? Yeah? Brown, I love you too.
Ow.
There you go, put your weight on me.
Ow, ow, ow.
What is he doing?
He's stepping on my inner thigh. He does not weigh a... He's not as light as a feather. He hurt me.
I know he's not, he's like what, like 60 pounds more?
He's looking heavy.
I'm not joking, don't think he's light in like some are other cats we have. They're light. Him? And he's been fit. Precious. Precious. Oh, hello, Rocky. This is another kitty. Everybody should know him. Say hello, Rocky. Say hello. Say hello. Hi. Hello.
Watch this. Pretty boy's time you put that phone down. Come and give me some food. I want some of that rice. I don't know what was in it, but it was good.
Yeah, this is a funny video. Because my whole back hurts now.
That one over there just attacked me from my rice. I don't know what was in that meat.
That's Precious. That's Pretty Boy. Say hi, Precious.
That's Pretty Boy's daughter.
Yep, that's Pretty Boy's daughter. What? Say hi. Say hi to the TV. I don't know what his problem is. Some of me don't want to get that beans and rice. I don't need her to. But, fine, I'll go get some. So, this is Shark Girl. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell. And you will see stuff like this. And times in the morning, I know that's noon. Oh my gosh.
1 o'clock.
So, yeah. Bye, guys.